Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan.
In this video, I will show you how you can install WordPress locally on your computer using XAMPP. And the reason why you need to install WordPress on your computer is maybe you are trying to learn website development using WordPress. It is advisable for you to install it locally so that you can learn a whole lot of things and then you find your way out of it and then you go live. So I'll show you how you can download the XAMPP, where you will get the XAMPP to download and where you will download the WordPress itself, and the configuration, everything I'm going to show you. So please stay with me. First of all, let's open our browser, and when you open your browser, you type in XAMPP, and the first result, you open it, the first link, you open it, and you will be sent to apachefriend.org, and that's where we will download our XAMPP. So when you look down here, you can see a whole lot of architectures here. We have Windows, Linux, and then OS over here. So for me, I'm on Windows, so I'll download the Windows one, and you click on this and it will send you to this area prompting you to download. So you click on it, and after the countdown is done, it will be downloading. There you see. For me, I've already downloaded this, so there's no need for me to download it again. So go ahead and download it, and we will continue from here. So after you have finished downloading, you'll get a file like this. You open the file. Now it will give you this warning. So when you see this warning on your when installing, you come to the search of your computer, the search part of your computer, then you type in UAC like this, user account control, and then you open it. You make sure this thing is under here, it's at the bottom here. Then you click on OK, then you come and click OK here, and you are good to go. So you click on next, and we have a whole lot of things here to select. So when you come here for the first part, we have MySQL here, FileZilla, Mercury, our mail server, and then Tomcat. All these three, the last three here, we don't need them, so we will uncheck all of them here. And then when you come to the second part here, we don't need this spell here because there's no need for us to install that one. And when you come to the last part here too, we have Webalizer and then Fix and Mail. We don't need all of them here, so we will just untick them. So these are the things we will need. We will need MySQL. We will need PHP. It is already ticked. And then we have PHP MyAdmin. That one too is needful, so we need it. Then after that, you click on next, and then you select your destination folder. Select your destination folder. For me, I'll have to put mine here. And then you select, or you click on next, and then you click next again, and then you click next again, and the installation will begin, and it will take some time. So now it has finished installing, and here, if you want to launch it, you can leave this thing here like this. Do you want to start control panel? And I would like to launch it, so let me leave it like that and click on finish. Now the XAMPP control panel has opened like this, and this is how yours is supposed to look like. And when you come here, you can see all these three are blurred here: the FileZilla, the security, the Mercury, and then the Tomcat. These are the three things we unchecked. Now we have our Apache here, and then we have our MySQL here. So we need to start this, and it is very, very important. Before you can work on your localhost website, these things have to be on. These two things, the Apache and then MySQL, you have to switch them on before you can start making any change, or before you can do anything on the localhost. So let's start our Apache here. Let's allow it. Now, as you can see, it has turned to green, so it has started. And then let's start our SQL too. That one too has started. Now we are good to go. So now let's go to our browser. So you go to your browser. Let me close this. You go to your browser and you type in my PHP, or you can use this area, my admin. So you come to the MySQL section and use admin here. You click on it and it will send you to your browser automatically. Now this is where you create your database. Here you need a database to store anything that you'll be doing on your website, your localhost website. This is where you will store everything. This is where everything is going to be stored. So you have to create a database here. So after you come here, you click on create database, and here you have to write the name of the database, and keep in mind that the name of the database is very, very important. Keep it in your head. Make sure you don't forget. Let me give my my DB like this, my DB. Then after that, you hit on create, and as you can see here, my database is here. It is created here. We don't have anything in it because it is a new database, fresh one, doesn't have anything. We are done with creating the database. Now we have to go and install the WordPress on this our local device. So we have to download the WordPress software. So for that one, you go to wordpress.org. So after it has opened, you go to the right side here, get WordPress. You click on it, and the latest version will be here. So the latest version is 6.2.2. So you download it. So after it has finished downloading, you search for the file. So here is the file. So you have to extract the file. After it has finished extracting, let me cut it. Let me cut it and locate the XAMPP folder. Mine is here, this folder. And when you open the XAMPP folder, you go to this folder here, AT docs. You open it, and here you paste the WordPress file here. Now, as you can see, my file is here. You paste it inside the AT docs, and after that, let me close the folder, and then we come here. So when you are done with all the steps, then you come here and you type in localhost localhost.wordpress or localhost /WordPress like this. Then you hit enter, and it will send you to this page here for you to install your WordPress. So this is the step you'll be following in installing your WordPress. Here you can choose any language of your choice, but I will leave it as default, English, United States, and I'll click on continue, and it will send you to this area. Click on let's go, and here you need to put in the database name here, the database you created. That's the reason why I said you should keep the database name in your head. You don't have to forget. So mine is my DB, like this, and then the username is root, ROOT, like this. It's root. The username, don't put anything there, put root, ROOT, like this, and then the password, leave it blank, like this, and then the localhost, don't touch it, WP, don't touch it, and then click on submit, and it's telling me that, all right, Sparky, you've made it through this part. So run the installation. You click on it, and you'll be sent to this area. Here you are supposed to put in your name here, your website name or the website title. For me, I'll put in my website. And then you put in your username here. Let me write website here. That's your username. You can put any name of your choice here. And after that, you put in your password here. And here you confirm the password, and you put in your email address here. For me, I will put in this email address. And here you have to discourage search engine from indexing this site. So after you are done with all this setup, then you click on install WordPress. Yeah, as you can see, it is telling me that success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Thank you and enjoy. So this is my username. It is telling me my username. So the password, it is hidden. So after you are gotten to this area, you need to log in so that you get access to your website. You remember the password you put in so that you don't find yourself wanting. You click on login and you put in your website and your password. So mine is auto generated for me here. So I will click on login. Now, as you can see, I have my website open here. This is the dashboard of my WordPress website. If I want to see my website, let me open a new window here, or a new tab, and then type in localhost, like this, localhost / website, WordPress, sorry, localhost / WordPress, like this, and then hit enter, and my website will open like this. This is the website we created or we installed. This is what the website will show, or how it will, appear to us or to other users. So this is a way you can install WordPress locally on your device. And as you can see, you have your post here, media, whatever. So this, I will do another video explaining all these things and how to customize your WordPress website. Maybe let's take it, you've logged out. Now you want to come back to your dashboard like this. Here we are on our front end. So if you want to go to your back end, that is your dashboard, you type in WordPress / localhost / WP admin, WP-admin, like this, wp-admin like this, and then you hit enter and you'll be sent to your dashboard. So this is how you install WordPress locally on your computer. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then as well like the video. Whatever comment you are having, leave it in the comment section below. I will do justice to it. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.